In this video, I want to address some of the common misconceptions about AI and automation. So number one, AI and automation are only for big companies. This is the best opportunity right now today to have the same tools that the big players have. Anybody can have access to them and you can eliminate a lot of the barriers that we had before. It is not for big companies. If anything, it has flipped the equation around, giving the small players an actual chance of going up against the big dogs. Automation is too expensive. Expensive compared to what? To losing hundreds of customers. A lot of people are looking at it the wrong way around. How much is your time worth? How much time are your employees and your colleagues spending on tasks that have no real value at all, like chasing payments? You need to look at costs from a different perspective and think about how much you are essentially not making. AI will replace our jobs. Now, I think the people that are using AI are going to replace your jobs. I don't think we can be comfortable now with doing our jobs the same way we were doing them before. We need to start incorporating these tools or we're going to be left behind. It is the same example as when cash points were introduced. Did the bank tellers lose their jobs? No, they moved on to other types of jobs within the bank, and now we have ATM machines everywhere. I think this is just a little bit of resistance to change, and those that are going to seize this opportunity are going to really separate from the competition. AI is too complicated to use. It is as complicated as you want it to be. Think about having a new trainee in your business with a difference that they don't need to rest, can have full business context, and the outputs are only going to be as good as your inputs. There is a learning curve and there is an adjustment, but you can experiment or you can use a consultant like myself to help you get started. From my experience, AI is great, but we're not even getting the fundamentals right. How are we automatically responding to clients? How can we update a particular status in a CRM? How are we improving the way information moves within your organization? Those are fundamental building blocks to get your business right. I think a lot of people are missing that step and they want to jump straight to artificial intelligence when in reality they don't have the foundational bits in place. Do you have any questions about AI and automation and how it can impact your business? Do you not know where to start? Let us know in the comment section what you think.